Oh, fair Michael. Would you be keen to do an epic unboxing of Maid Marian coins?
Absolutely.
Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now. BullionNow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. I can't believe the things I do to get a laugh out of you and the things I do to get views. All right, what are we doing?
We are unboxing the Maid Marians, which is number 2 in the
Myths and Legends
Myths and
series.
Legends. I was going to say Dangerous and something, but it's not.
Yeah.
Myths and Legends by the Royal Mint.
Yep.
And I think we should use the elegant knife.
Yes,
for this one.
absolutely, for an elegant lady.
That's the one.
Yeah.
So.
Although, I don't know how elegant she actually was.
Oh,
because,
no.
you know, Robin Hood and the whole thing, and, you know,
Yes,
getting down and dirty in the Sherwood Forest, the whole deal.
Yeah, but he was a bit rough around the edges, but
That's what
surely
I'm
not
saying.
Maid Marian.
Oh, surely not.
And these are Maid Marian, so we should be respectful.
That's very true. Fair lady. My fair lady, Maid Marian. Epic unboxing. Excellent. Let's do it, mate.
Ah, dear.
Hey,
Yeah,
man.
I know, guys. I need to sharpen the knife.
I'm glad you've... Oh, hang on. So you've got a chainmail glove on
I do.
for the Maid Marians. Very kind of... very feudal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Time appropriate. All right, let's get rid of that.
Right about there, mate. It'd be great. Thanks. All right, let's get this baby open.
Change gloveds.
Okay.
We'll become more refined.
Really? You? Refined?
That's right.
Okay.
Sorry, you can take the boy out of the bush pig.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Oh, these are nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like this
Okay.
design.
We'll definitely get some Reuben roll on this.
We definitely need to get some Reuben roll. Look at that.
Whoa!
The detail on a 1 ounce coin, that is amazing.
That's actually really beautiful. Man, the Royal Mint, I've got to tell you, they are just kicking goals at the moment.
Yeah.
Goal! Maid Marian 1 ounce fine silver.
But the detail,
The
like,
detail, yeah.
I don't know if that's a fern or, but the leafing on that plant.
Yeah.
And then I'm assuming this is a tree on the other side.
That's really,
Can
really
you see-
nice. Well,
what's I'll have a closer look
we'll
on the
find
camera.
out in the additional footage.
But
That's
no, that looks
just
beautiful.
Oh no, it's the quiver.
Oh, it is the quiver, is it? I
Yep,
wondered if it was
quiver it's quiver with arrows.
Okay.
Yep, because she was also into that.
An archer.
An archer. Beautiful, of course. £2 sterling.
It's quite appropriate to have the Queen on the back of this one.
Absolutely, yeah. I think I'm cool with that.
Yeah.
Not that I'm not cool usually, but you know, I'm just more cool.
We only have it in silver currently, as this is being displayed. We do have the gold on order.
Yep.
They have not arrived yet. So we will only have the silver available in the short term.
Oh, okay. Depends when they're watching this, though. So
absolutely,
yeah,
it does. But if you're watching this pretty much on release, we will only have the silvers up and running at this stage.
Yep.
So we do have a couple of thousand of them, so you don't have to race to the site right this second.
Yep.
But you know, they do need to be fairly expeditious on it, because I'm not sure. The first lot of Robin Hoods that we had sold out pretty much instantly, actually, didn't they?
Yeah, really quick.
But we do have a second lot of the Robin Hoods arriving probably about a similar time as to when this will get listed. They should be on their way.
Capsules or no capsules?
They come naked. So they come without capsule. However, we will endeavour to encapsulate. If you're buying 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, that kind of number, then we will endeavour to encapsulate. If you're ordering, 20 odd, the chances are they're going to come in a tuber.
Yes, absolutely.
And they won't come with a capsule that way.
Fair enough. Anything else they need to know?
Grab them while you can.
Cool. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Head over to the YouTube channel, youtube.com/Bullion Now. 16,000 subscribers almost. Hit the big red subscribe button. You get that big dopamine hit. Good feelings when you do it. BullionNow.com.au. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.